Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Meta Quest 2 and you're wondering how do you charge the controllers? Well, the quick answer to that is you don't. They have a battery that you replace. So it is just a simple one single AA battery for each controller. If you don't have any batteries, I'll put a link to where you can order some. But I'll just go ahead and show you real quick. It's real easy to just replace the battery in it. Basically, you have the side with the button on it. You come around to the other side. And you can actually see there's a little thing here that has a little, I don't know if you can see it there, that has the little arrow indicating that you put it that way. So all you're gonna do is just take it, this part here, and just slide it towards the bottom of the controller and it pops open like that. And then that's where your battery compartment is. And you can just pop your battery out, get a new battery, pop it back in with the positive going to the bottom of the controller. Pop it back in and then, slide the case back on. And that's all there is to it. So no need to charge it. You just replace the one AA battery.